My name is Aravind. I am from Warangal. I have graduated in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Jayamukhi Institute of Technological Sciences, Warangal. And then I have underwent a 6-month bootcamp of full stack development from 10x Academy. So one of my friends suggested me that there will be a 10x Academy where he already underwent a course and he already joined. So he thought that will be the best one for me. So and I have researched about 10x Academy then, and the curriculum was very good in it. The design of the course was also very good, and it is a full stack development, and the time consumption is just 6 months. The admission process is quite simple, and actually I am a good learner, so I have seen the admission process in the website itself. The admission process is very clear, and if there are any small doubt, the mentors will be available 24 hours, and the mentors will be called even though if we have any doubts, they will call and are you clear till now. So the admission process is very simple and very cooperative and very easy. Weeks of the program, the basics are taught. Actually, the pace was very simple during the days because they have some knowledge on basics. Later on, deep diving into data structures and algorithms made me some struggles, but I never faced any. I didn't stuck anywhere because we have beautiful support from practice sessions. So if we have stuck anywhere, there will be a mentor available during practice sessions. There are a lot of practice sessions during morning and afternoon, and after lecture sessions there is a practice session where the doubts will be cleared at that time. So the overall pace was balanced and very well designed. For every individual, cracking a good job is very important. But whenever the candidate is in the interview, he has to be in right approach. If the approach is wrong, the interviewer will get a negative feedback. So the one-on-one session is very helpful in approach correction. While doing, we can explain. While doing that, one-on-one session will be held continuously. So if we have doubt on the topic, the mentor will give you a good question on that exam. For example, if we have a doubt on merge sort, the question will be given on merge sort, and approach correction will be held there itself. So the topic will be very cleared. In my experience, every day in my bootcamp has taught me a new lesson, because every day, as it is just a 6 months program, we can learn a lot of things in a short period of time. So every component has its unique importance, but the best part that I have very much used is mock interviews. The mock interviews are just like real interviews. If we get a good impression in mock interviews, definitely we can have a good job in this. Yeah, in simple words, 10x made me an employee from the student. The best part, actually the 10x Academy designings was very good. The components like practice sessions, one-on-one sessions, and mock interviews, like they look like real-time mock interviews. And the main thing is live mock interviews are conducted during my boot camp once or twice a week. So they really helped me to crack and how we have to behave in interview, and the communication skills are also taught, and the group discussions are held regularly once a day. So all this made me pro in full stack technology and pro in coding. So that's what I can say. If a candidate is really passionate about coding, and just he need five things, that is a good practice, a good approach on problem solving, analyzing, implementing, and revising. All this can be done only with good guidance. So in my words, I think the good guidance is 100% available at this 10x Academy, clearly. So I suggest this to real aspiring candidates of coding. Yes, in 10x Academy, the education process is very simple. The team management in 10x Academy was designed very transparent. Separate teams are available for operations, placements, student success managers. The student success managers play a key role because it looks like just one-on-one mentor through whole bootcamp. Like student success manager will call regularly if they find us somewhere lag. So the mentor support will also available every day. So with all their support, I have cracked a good job at one of the best product based company. The 10x Academy is really good to improve your skills 10 times, and we can give 10-star rating to this academy.